Just wanted to make a video about this Frigidaire dishwasher. Seen enough videos on YouTube. They've helped me out. I just wanted to make this video to help somebody out. If it helped one person, that'd make me feel a little bit better. If it helps a lot of people, that'd be obviously the best case scenario. But I have this Frigidaire gallery dishwasher that is not exactly high end here, even though it appears to be first glance. It's got the Orbit spinner. And if you know from having this dishwasher and you're watching this video, maybe you have that problem, but the dishwasher spins, or the arm spins, excuse me, spins around, and also the blue piece spins at the same time so that it gets everything clean, gets your dishes clean. It's got the little hole on this side too so that it, get in there, can spin out water on that side too, help balance out. It doesn't balance, not in my dishwasher. There's not enough pressure, I guess, to have it spin, so it spins and comes around and it gets stuck at the same spot. I can open the dishwasher, move it, it'll spin again, but obviously that's not going to fix anything. That's just getting a band-aid. I didn't notice until I started having dirty dishes, and so that became an issue, and obviously wanted to get it fixed. So wanted to make this short video, see if it could help anybody out doing this video. And I wanted to show what happened. So the balance wasn't there. When it's mounted in the dishwasher, it hangs down to this side a little bit, obviously not that much, but I thought maybe I could get some weights on that side, help it balance out, something like that. So I had taken it apart, and actually this is a replacement one because I thought maybe there was a problem with it, so I think I paid $30 or so for this one. Put it in, just clicks right in, not too big of a deal. And so I looked at that. As I started looking, I thought, you know, I don't think these guys at Frigidaire or Electrolux, they seem to be, they're not making new dishwashers for everything. And I think in theory this looks good, but in practice it's not really working out well. So had an idea, gave it a shot. It seems to be working so far, so good. Done a couple of loads. You can check this out here in the dishwasher. And I just took this one and bought a white blade. Obviously I should have bought a gray. The top one's gray, if you can see that there. Just did a load here, but look down there, it's the exact same piece. Exact same way. So all I did was order that piece, pop it right in. It couldn't have taken me but 15 seconds to take it off and put the new one on. And all of a sudden the dishes come clean again. So pretty easy fix there if anybody has that same problem. And also, let me grab this. Here's the piece that I ordered. If this helps anybody, just got this off Amazon, and should give a good feel. But you could do the same thing with yours, and hopefully, I think it was $22 or $21 or something like that, be able to make a difference. So good luck. Comment, let me know if this helped you, made any difference in your life. So the Frigidaire dishwasher, you know, I got the fridge, the whole 9 yards, but it just needed that part replaced to make it anywhere worthwhile. So good luck.